Sprucing up your garden with solar. Fountains are a popular addition to most landscaped yards. Solar fountains give you the benefit of traditional fountains without running up your electrical bill every month. Sprucing up your garden with solar. Mention solar power and people get an image of large, bulky solar panels on the roof of a home. This stereotypical view is really incorrect, as large panel systems are now going the way of the dodo bird. Current solar technology is all about small size and unique applications. Heck, they even make them for kayaks now. Solar fountains may sound like a fairly complex landscape addition. They really aren't. Solar technology has advanced to the point where most landscaping items are now best run on solar technology. This includes solar lighting used for paths, overhead lighting, bird deterrents, and general ambience. At their root, solar fountains are incredibly simple pieces of machinery. The solar aspect of the piece is simple: the power generation for the pump. Practically all solar fountains look the same as regular fountains. The energy source is simply a small panel system, either connected directly to the fountain or placed in a location that gets plenty of sun. The type of system is dependent upon the amount of flow you want to move with the pump. Solar fountains range from incredibly simple to complex applications. You can buy floating solar pads that you simply put in a pool. The panels look like black pads and power a small pump that sucks content out of the pool. More sophisticated solar fountains include entirely contained systems, as well as systems that move massive amounts of the pool from low points on your property to higher areas where gravity takes over. There really is something for everyone in this area. Much like solar lighting, solar fountains are a cost-saving addition to your landscaping and provide soothing ambience. Plenty of quality models exist, so give them a look.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.